Hey everyone, it's Nick with Forte Legato Coffee, and I'm here in Scotland today, and I'm traveling. So while I'm traveling, how do I actually make coffee? Well, it can be as complicated as you want it, or it can be as simple as you want it. And when I'm traveling, I try to keep things simple. I usually want to just take one pack with me, maybe one carry-on luggage if I need to bring some things back that will eventually get checked in. But for my coffee, I like to keep things relatively simple. So, starting with, I always have a travel mug. This one I picked up at the London Coffee Festival this year. I'm hoping, because we did have some discussions, that we're gonna be able to bring some of these into the US. Really amazing lid, because it's a screw top lid. And once you screw it in all the way and tighten it, it is fully closed. You can turn it down and then you'll just open it a little bit and you can just drink from any part of it. So this was pretty exciting. So I like to have a separate device to brew into, especially for stability, because from there, I will then go with the Aeropress. So the Aeropress I travel with actually has different parts. You've got a plunger, you've got the brewing chamber, and then you have this screen, and then usually paper filters. I purchased one of these metal ones, which I can share with you also, because very easy to clean off. Paper is probably easier in the long run, but I've just traveled with this for the last few years that I've never actually had to change anything. So, typically we'll start with some form of an inverted brew. So put that to the side. Then I'll just knock that over. Then we'll take this, put that to the side. Then of course, coffee. Now, the question that everybody asks, do you grind your beans or not? If I'm going for a week or two, I'm not gonna wanna carry a grinder with me. It's gonna be a pain. I'll just use the batch grinder at the shop. I'll grind it and have it ready to go in a smaller bag. So I try to travel with like half-pound bags of coffee. We've got something from Honduras that we'll be brewing today. And then, of course, you're in the UK. And when you're in the UK, you get a kettle. So go back here. Kettle comes with the room. And for those of you who are in the US, note that they're actually running 220, 240 just on regular appliances. So this thing heats up really quickly. So for those who are impatient, this is the place you want to be.